Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Vray in 3ds Max. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your browser. And in here, we are going to type in my.chaos.com/Vray. Alright, again, my.chaos.com/Vray. And then after that, just hit on enter and wait for the website to load. Now in here, it's going to ask us to sign in. If you do have an account, if you already have an account, you can just go ahead and easily log in. If not, you can go ahead and click on create account in here at the bottom. Okay, so just click on it. Now I'm just going to continue with the process right here as I'm going to create another account. Okay, now once you've created your account, if you got this error, don't worry, just click on home page. All right, and we are going to be landed to the my.chaos.com page. Now what you'll do in here is just go ahead and go to the top right, click on download. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, click on all products. And here we have Vray. Okay, so go ahead and select the version that you have for 3ds Max. So as per recording, it is March of 2026, and the current version of 3ds Max is 3ds Max 2027. So I'm going to go ahead and select the platform version right here, which is the latest one, 2027. Now, what you got to do next is just basically click on download. All right, now go ahead and save this one wherever you want. I'm just going to go ahead and save it on my desktop, hit on save, and just wait for the download process to finish. So as you can see here, it's done. So you can now go ahead and close the browser and just find the installer. So double click on the installer, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you may have this error, Windows protected your PC. Just click on more info and run anyway. All right, so as you can see here, we now have the installer ready. So what you got to do is just basically accept all end user license agreement and global consumer privacy and policy. You could go ahead over to advanced if you want more options, but if you just want the regular Vray, well, just go ahead and click on continue right here. And then once done, click on install. And if you need to connect to a network license server, well, go ahead and click on this option right here. So install and just wait for the process to finish. There you go. And we do have this option for telemetry. Yeah, you can just untick this one. Or if you want to, you could go ahead and anonymize your telemetry. Okay, just click on done. And after that, a browser will pop up just like this one. And it will say installation complete. So you could just close this one, close the browser, and then just got it straight up, launch a 3ds Max. Once a 3ds Max is fully opened, you can now go ahead over to your rendering right here. Just click on it and you should now be able to see under a renderer, Vray. Okay, and there you have it. You can click on it, sign in right here to verify your license. All right. Just sign in with your Vray account right here. And after that, you're good to go. Just make sure that you have an active Vray subscription. Or if you want to, you could go ahead and use a 30-day trial for Vray. Just go ahead over to your browser and type down Vray free trial. Okay. Click on it and then just start your trial in here. Okay. You will need a card for this one. But that's just basically it. That is how you install Vray in 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.